Hong Kong's insurance sector is expected to face massive claims after the deadly fire in several tower blocks this week that killed 128 people. Insurance claims could amount to $334 million. Hong Kong's insurance authorities already set up a special task force to make sure that fire claims are processed quickly. While the cause of the fire has not been officially confirmed, there are questions being asked about the traditional bamboo scaffolding that was being used for the renovation. Paul Barber spoke to Xinyan Huang from Hong Kong's Polytechnic University and asked if it was feasible and cost-effective to use steel rather than bamboo.
I think this morning the Hong Kong officially announced that they were phasing out the bamboo scaffolding and replaced with the steel. But that takes some time to do that transition.
Now, Hong Kong certainly has struggles and issues in its property market. Do you think that the shift towards steel scaffolding in construction would deter more projects being built?
I think that's for sure. First of all, we don't know whether this building will be continued to used after the fire. We have to further evaluate their structure stability. But there definitely will be new buildings with better regulation, with a higher standard to be built in Hong Kong.
Some Chinese companies, including BYD and Geely and Alibaba, have pledged tens of millions of dollars to help with the recovery effort, really, from this terrible tragedy. I mean, just how big a blow is it, do you think, for the construction industry in Hong Kong?
In the short term, definitely, it will have a big hit. But definitely, if we can learn good lessons from this tragedy, we can further improve our building safety. So in the long run, I think these tragedy, they will benefit the future living condition.
Now, many people looking at these images from around the world will be quite surprised maybe at just the sheer number of properties, the density and the height of these buildings, the numbers of people living in very close proximity. I mean, how much of an issue is this for Hong Kong, where affordable housing is certainly quite scarce?
The fire safety of these high-density, high-rise residential buildings, they are safe. I have to say, without this bamboo scaffolding, without this renovation process, it's pretty safe. Hong Kong has world's most strict building fire regulation. It does not allow any combustible material outside the building wall. But the tricky thing is the bamboo scaffolding, they are not considered as a part of the building. So they don't have to satisfy the building fire regulation. So this creates a loophole to generate potential fire risk to the building. Because most of the fires start from indoor, start from a room. If that's the case, the building will be very safe because fire will never spread to the entire building. But when the fire penetrates from outside to the indoor environment, that's a different story.